Hi, my name is Jay Lemieux. I'm a filmmaker and teacher. I've been teaching for close to 15 years. I have a company that does media education, and we have a filmmaking summer camp called Creative Video Day Camp. I think the arts have a lot to offer everybody. Um, I think art is a great way to process and to get out all the emotions that we have, all the difficult situations. Art is a great way to inspire others to be inspired. I believe inspiration is a great way to get motivated, and to get motivated helps you get things done. Um, it's a great way to communicate things that aren't easy to communicate with words. So if you're someone who maybe had a lot of trauma or difficult situations, um, sometimes you can't really say in words, or it's too painful or too complicated or too muddy. And then if you make a song or you make a video, you could be abstract with it, and you could kind of communicate in a different way.